I'm going to try to show you how to get information on your graphing calculator when you have data like you have in this problem 611 technology inventories. And so the first thing we're going to need to do is enter our data in a list. And so we're going to go here to where it says Stat, that button right there, and press it. And you're going to get a list, or you're going to get a menu. And we would need the first thing on the list. So you can hit enter since the 1 is already highlighted right here, or you can go down and you can hit 1. Either way, you can hit enter or you can hit 1. I'm going to hit the 1. That's what I tend to do. And that gives me a list. Now, my data is already in the list, but I'm going to clear it to show you how to enter it. The way you clear a list is you up arrow, so you hit that. Then you're going to go down here and hit clear, and then down arrow. And that's going to clear that whole list out for you. Now you need to go back and enter your data in the list. And so just enter the number that you get, or that's listed there on the inventory. And so our first number is 5. So I'm going to enter 5 and then hit the down arrow right here. And that puts it in the list. And you can see at the bottom of the screen the number you're entering. So my next number is 29. And then down arrow. And then 34. Down arrow. 44. 45. 63. 68. The thing you have to be careful of is be sure you've got your numbers entered right. 74 twice. 81. 88. 91. 97. 98. 113. 118. 151. And 158. Okay. And so there's our data. We've got it in our list. The next thing we have to do is to get some information from that data. So we're going to go back to Stat, hit that button, same button we hit to put stuff in the list, hit Stat again, but instead of editing the list, we're going to go over to Calc. And what we want is this one var stats, and you right arrowed in case you didn't see what I did. You hit the right arrow to go to highlight this Calc here in the black. We want one var stats because we have only things in one list. So hit enter or 1. And you're going to get that show on your screen. Just hit enter again. And you're going to get your stats that you want, that we need for this to solve this problem. So here's our mean, our X bar. We need our sample standard deviation right here, 40.45. If you arrow down, you can see our sample size is 18. And just hit this down arrow right here. And you can go your minimum. There's information here that you can get. What we need is our median, 77.5. That's the other piece of information we're going to need. So hopefully this little video will help you know how to use your graphing calculator to help you find the information, or to be able to get it quickly when you have a set of numbers that you need data information for.